Hey, everybody out there. I hope you're having an excellent Monday. You enjoyed your weekend. Hopefully you did something fun with family or friends. I did. I got to get out and go to a bonfire with some friends and just, you know, relax and stay away from the work environment all weekend. But it is Monday and we're ready to get back to it. What I want to share with you guys today is an experience that I had last week with a new customer. So basically, I was sitting down with her last week and reviewing her current insurance policies. So in that process, I take a look at, obviously how many policies you have, where those policies are placed, who they're placed with, and I look at simplifying that as much as possible for you. So what I came to learn with going through her policy was that, thank you for the like, Tim, thanks for joining us. What I learned going through her policy is that she opened, and this is very common, she opened an LLCA to purchase her building, and then she opened an LLCB for the actual business that she is operating, and then she rents the space back to herself. So typically in insurance, you would buy two different policies. You'd buy one for LLCA and one for LLCB. So what I did in talking with my companies, and I'm explaining her scenario, telling them that she has two separate LLCs, and then she has a workman's comp policy as well. In talking with my representative from the Hartford Insurance Agency, I learned that the Hartford provides something they call combinability. In insurance, you cannot insure something that you don't have financial interest in. That's a standard. You can't put insurance on something you're not financially, interested, have an interest in, like a loan or you own it. So the Hartford recognizes, however, though, when someone buys a building and then rents it back to themselves, that they do have vested financial interest in both of those LLCs. So therefore, they provide what they call combinability. So what I was able to do is I was able to list both LLC names on one policy, insure the building, the business personal property, and the liability exposure of the business under one policy. So she before had two policies, LLCA, LLCB, and she was paying separate premiums for both of those through the same insurance company. So we moved her over to the Hartford, put those things on one policy, and then got her a bundling discount with her workman's comp, because her workman's comp was previously, whoa, let me get all tongue-tied right there, was previously insured with a different company. So she's got three policies, two different companies, and paying extra for having all of this going on. So we simplified that for her and utilized the Hartford's combinability feature by putting the business in the building on one and then getting her a bundling discount with the workman's comp. And we were able to save her a couple $100, close to $1,000 a year in insurance costs. So it's common for people to buy a building and do one LLC and then do a second one for their business and rent space back to each other. So if you're in that situation, I would ask your insurance provider, do you have anyone that offers a combinability feature? Do you work with the Hartford? If not, then maybe you should reach out to an agent that does work with the Hartford and see what that combinability feature could do for you. Share this with your friends and let them know, and hopefully this was helpful to people out there. And if you have any questions, you're always free to ask. I love to answer questions for people. I love to share this knowledge with everyone because it's important, and this is stuff that agents aren't talking about and they aren't sharing. So share this, ask questions, and last but not least, I just learned today in an article that reducing our auto rates is coming on the ballot this year in the state of Michigan. So we're looking at a 20 to 50% auto price reduction. So pay attention to the ballots this year and make sure you vote on lowering these rates as a community, and I will keep you posted on the developments of these proposals. So Chelsea Fox with Michigan Insurance and Financial, your resource for all things insurance. So have a great day.